Got some winter driving this morning. Got up at 4 a.m. to burn off some of the darkness of the short winter days on this drive to Yellowstone. Because I love these open highways in Montana. It's awesome. And the snow's dry, so it's blowing off the road. Got back to camp late, so just having cold cuts and cheese tonight. That's perfect, actually. Fucking A, okay. I can get a straight job. I've done it before. I never minded working hard. It's who I'm working for. 'Cause everything is free now. That's what they say. Everything I ever done, gotta give it away.